Welcome to Music and Royalties Explained, guys. I'm gonna give you guys some wonderful information. SoundCloud profile verification has arrived.
You serious?
Now look at this. This is Wiz Khalifa. Come on, what's going on here? Let's read the news. Big news! SoundCloud is rolling out profile verification. Official blue check marks will now show up in search and on profiles of verified creators. We're doing this to help well-known artists stand out and maintain their authenticity, and to help listeners identify these artists more easily. You'll also notice that orange Pro Star badges now live exclusively on the profiles of our Pro subscribers. We initially create these stars badges for Pro subscribers to help listeners, fellow creators, and industry contacts know they're taking their craft to the next level. But often Pro badges was misused or misinterpreted as verification. Official blue check marks will help eliminate the confusion. Rest assured, if you're a Pro subscriber, your status remains the same. As a bonus, Pro Unlimited users who apply for the verification will also be first in line. To kick off profile verification on our platform, we have already blue checked 8 of our top performing artists today, including Billie Eilish, Wiz Khalifa, and Trippie Redd.
Oh my god! Wow!
The other artists are a surprise, so follow our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter throughout the day to catch their reveal. Here's a hint. All of these artists have been with SoundCloud since day one on their careers. If you're a creator who likes to request verification, your account has to meet the requirement. It represents a well-known or highly searched artist, collective DJ, label, curator, or podcaster. It must be a unique profile. We do not verify any fan accounts or impersonators. It doesn't contain any misleading information and adheres to our terms of use. It must have a bio, profile, photo, and at least one track uploaded. Think you're ready to apply? Log on to SoundCloud.com on your desktop. Head to your settings and click on the request verification button. It could take up to 30 days for our team to review your request. Any question, be sure to visit our help center. We are excited to continue supporting our community and to help well-known artists stand out on our platform. Thanks for keeping it real with us. So guys, what do you think? What do you think of the information that was shared? What I want to know is, what are your thoughts? Leave them in the comment section. If there's any question on how I've earned from SoundCloud, leave them in the comment section. As you know, I've been earning a lot from SoundCloud for the past couple of years, and I've been sharing all those secrets with other creators and independent artists. So if you are interested, you can hit me up on my Instagram at Music and Royalties Explained, and definitely make sure you check out the next video on how to actually get your profile verified on SoundCloud. Okay, so thanks for watching Music and Royalties Explained, and I'll see you in the next video.